Hi, welcome to CPAP Store USA. I'm Scott. I'm a respiratory therapist for CPAPStoreUSA.com, and I'm here to introduce to you the latest and greatest travel CPAP machine from Transcend. It is the Transcend Micro Travel CPAP. It is the smallest, smartest, and automatically adjusting travel CPAP machine on the market, about the size of a baseball. With the machine, it comes with a power supply. It plugs in and back like this. It also comes with a muffler to reduce mask noise. Some masks do create a lot of noise. There's a lot of air turbulence in some masks. You attach that like so. You then attach any hose, any standard non-heated hose to the end of the muffler, and you can use any mask of your choice. Power button is like so. Start it like that. Pressure range defaults from 4 to 20. Again, it's automatically adjusting. You don't have to use the muffler. You can use their own proprietary hose like this, and you can use any mask of your choice with this hose. And as far as the noise of the machine, it is very, very quiet. Let me demonstrate. As you can see or hear, there is no noise coming from the blower, the engine part. If you're going camping, if you are away from a power supply, power source, you can use the old P8 battery. This is also compatible with this machine. It's a chargeable battery, and it plugs in just like the regular power supply would. The machine has a washable filter in back. It unhinges like so, and it's a black spongy filter, and it is a washable filter, and the life of the filter is good for at least 3 months, I'd say. The Transcend Micro, unlike another popular CPAP manufacturer, it does not require any special adapter or any special frame for the mask that you want to use. With the Transcend Micro hosing, you can attach any mask of your choice with this machine. So you're not restricted in mask types or mask brands with this machine. You can use any mask, any CPAP mask on the market can be used with this machine. As far as the hose is recommended that you replace the hose after 6 months of usage. And if you are interested in purchasing this travel CPAP machine, the Transcend Micro, it is available on our website at CPAPStoreUSA.com. You can also call us and speak to one of our friendly CPAP specialists at 888-512-7278. Also, with the purchase of this Transcend Micro Travel CPAP, we offer complimentary 2-day express shipping